Fantastic morning, students. Welcome you all for Shikshanave Shakti Sparda Creative Coaching Center, Shimoga. As you know, students, we have started our online as well as offline classes, and we are giving you all the materials and all the necessary things what and all you required. Yes. And like if you call out to these numbers what we have provided on our board, you will get all the queries or the information, or if you will be having any doubts with respect to anything, you will get it without any fail. So students, please be updated to our class. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. You will get your notification what and all we are doing. Nowadays we are giving you the most important questions in online classes. In offline classes also we are about to give you some of the important questions and important concept. If you subscribe our channel, then only you will get the updated or today's what notification and do like our video. So this is about what about our institution. Today, students, we are going to start with the new concept called approximation of a number. What is this approximation, students? What it is? What is the other name of this approximation? What it is? So approximation is nothing but estimation. You might be knowing, might be like you don't know. What is that approximation or estimation? It is a process in order to get the closest value of an exact number. In order to get the approximate value you can take, or you can take the closest value. Then you can take it as what? It is the closest value of any exact number. That is nothing but your what? Approximation. Or students, it is also called as what? Estimation. How like I am going to show you now the whole process. You are going to do it. So now students, you can do it by using your places value. You can start with your 10th, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that it proceeds. Done. For example, students, these are the examples I am going to show you now. For example, they have given 252. Okay, so students, in this we have two concepts. Before that, before going to any problems or this one, you have two concepts. Okay, so the first concept is equal to or more than 5. Okay, you write it, you take it like this: equal to or more than 5. Which are all the numbers you will get equal to or more than 5? You will get it as like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is the one, like one important step you will get in this important point. You can take it. The next thing is less than 5. What is that? Less than 5. Less than 5 in the sense what, students? You can take it out as what? Less than 5 as 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. What is this equal to 5 or less than 5? What I have written on the board. What is according to that? What is the actual process? Students, if you get equal to 5 or more than 5, you are going to do the next number, that is you are going to add one number. You are going to add one number where or when you get equal to 5 or more than 5. Done. Equal to 5 or more than 5, you are going to increase one number. You are going to add one number. When did you get equal to or more than 5? Done. Next, one more point I have given you. If it is less than 5, what if it is less than 5? If it is less than 5, for example, the numbers like 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. What will you do in that? What will you do? So if you get all these numbers that is less than 5, you are going to keep the number as it is. No number get changes here, only the number is changing in equal to or more than 5. If it is less than 5, no number is going to change, it will be as it is, nothing is going to change. Done. So these are the important principles, or you can take some of the rules that you will come across in the lesson called approximation. Do you get what is approximation? What is approximation? Approximation is nothing but it is a process to get one of the closed value of any exact number. You know what, like they will be giving one number, okay, they will give one number. You are going to find out the closest value, nearest to value you can take. Close value in the sense what? Nearest value. And two principles you will get in that, right? So which is the first principle? Equal to or more than 5. Which is the one more principle? Less than 5. Okay, yes. Now I am going to show you some of the examples. Look at this, students. I have given you the number like 252. Let us take this like 1s, 10s, 100. Now they will ask approximate the value or estimation. See students, you have three like definition you can take up. Estimation also, or estimate you can take, or you can take it as what? Round off also. Okay, so you will be having three more definition for that. You or in your exam, in order to make you confused, they can ask you estimate is nothing but approximation, round off also approximation. Then now we are going to do for what? Like we are going to check it out the process for ones, or you can take it as what, like 10th also, no problem, you can take it as 10th. Check out student, estimate for the 10th. You are going to check it for what? 10th, right? Yes. What is in the place of 10th? We have like this, right? So you have like this, like 100, H is 100, 10s ones. Done. Yes. You are going to find out for the value of 10th. If you are finding out the estimation for the 10, you are willing to, or you are going to check it out for the ones place, the number in the ones place. You are going to check it out the number in the ones place. If they have asked for what? 10th. If they ask for 100th, you are going to check the number for the 10th. Like that it will continue. Okay. If they have asked for the 10th number or for the estimation for the 10th place, you are going to see the number in the ones place. What do you have in the ones place now? What do you have? 2. What is 2? It is less than 5 or more than 5. What is that? It is less than 5. So what it is, if it is less than 5, what it will become? The number in the 10th place will be as it is. Nothing will change. See here, I am going to write it like this. Did you understand? See, this number becomes 0. The number in the 10th place will be as it is. Why it is as it is? Why? Because so the number in the 10th place is ones place is what? 0. 0. 2 you have. 2 is less than 5, hence it is as it is. One more number I will give you now. 268. Let us check it out for again like 10th place itself. Okay, 1s, 10s, 100. Now for what you are going to see? You are going to see the number for the 10th one, 10th place. What you will see now? You will check out the number in the ones place. What do you have in the ones place, students? 8. If it is 8, it is what? More than 5 or equal to 5? It is more than 5. If it is more than 5, the number get increases. The number becomes more. Simple. Where it becomes more? Here in the 10th place, it becomes more. So this becomes 270. You can ask me now, sir, here you have written as it is, here you have increased one, why sir? You can ask me the doubt or question like this. Why students, here the number beside tens place was 2. 2 is less than 5, hence it is as it is. Okay, now the number beside 6 is 8. 8 is what? 8 is more than 5, hence the number is increased. This was 6 and it has become what? 8. Very simple. Did you get this, students? Yes. We'll go on for the 100 place now. Now students, let us check it out for 100 place. Okay. Again, where is in 100 now? Check out the place value of that. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. See students, you will get the problem a lot like this. If you understand the basic concept itself, you can do it. If you won't understand this concept, you will not get. So please concentrate on to the video or the class. If you have not understood, please watch the video at least for 2 to 3 times, then you will understand. Okay, yes. Now we are checking it for what? 100 place. Where it is 100 place? Here. You are going to round up the number in the tens place. What do you have in the tens place? You are estimating for the 100 place. For that reason, you are going to check the number that is beside 100 place. What it is? 2. If it is 2, less than 5 or more than 5? Obviously less than 5. So the number in the 100 place will be what? What I have given? As it is. Nothing change you will get. So the number this becomes 3520. The number this becomes 3520. Why? Because in the tens place the number was like what? 2, and that 2 is what? Less than 5. Hence what? The number is what? As it is. Here one more mistake you will do. This will also become 0. Why? We are checking it for the 100 place, right? So the number who is right hand side to the 100 place, this becomes what? 0. Okay, yes. One more number I am going to give you. 4689. Again 100 place. Ones, tens, 100,000. You are checking it for 100 place. What do you have in the 100 place? 6. It is less than 5 or like check out the number beside 6. What it is? 8. 8 is what? Less than 5 or more than 5? 8 is more than 5. 8 is what? More than 5. Hence the number in the 100 place will increases to 1. You are going to increase the number in the 100 place. Okay. So and this becomes as what? So 4700. Very simple. See here, I have increased one number here. Why? Because the number in the tens place was 8 and the 8 was like 8 is more than 5. If it is more than 5, you are going to increase one number and this becomes like that. Now we'll see for the 1000 place. Now students, we are doing it for what? 1000. There we have done it for 10th as well as 100. Now it is for 1000. Check out for the 1000. Like how will you do? You have like ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here also you will be having ones, tens, 100, 1000. Done. 1000. You are going to see the number here. What do you have in the 100 place? It is 2. If it is 2, it is what? It is less than 5. So the number will be what in the 1000 place? As it is. As it is. And what about these numbers? These numbers becomes what? 0. 0, 0, 0. Done. Yes. Now check again for the 1000 place. Yes. What do you have? 7. You are going to see the number in the 100 place. What do you have in the 100 place? 6. 6 is what? It is more than 5. If it is more than 5, the number in the 1000 place will be what? Increases to 1. 7 plus 1 becomes what? 8. So this becomes 8,000. Done? Yes. So like this is goes on continuing. So if you take it out 10,000 also no problem, like lakh also you can count out like that. So this is the process called what? Estimation or approximation, or they can ask roundup. Now students, they have given in your notebook as estimate the following number nearest to 10th, 100 and 1000 place. They have given one box. Now what is your duty? You need not to see the book or your notebook. You have to take only the questions in your notebook and you have to start doing it from your own. It is your task now. You have a lot of time or more time. Please don't just waste your time in sleeping or eating or just watching the TV. Utilize the time to work, okay? So practice. There is one proverb, practice makes man perfect, right? How will you become perfect? Once you do the practice much and best, you will become good and successful person. Done. So there is there are some problems here in the box. Now you are going to do these problems without fail. Done. Yes. So some of the problem, like one or two problem, one problem I am going to do it. Check out. So what the problem I will take? I will take like this: 8, 6, 2, 1. Okay. First I will do it for 10th place. Check out like this. So 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Yes. First for the 10th place, you are going to see the number. If it is 10th place, you are going to see the number. What do you have in the 1st place? It is 6. This becomes what? 2, and this becomes like 2 to 0. Okay, 86,220 it becomes. Next for 100. 100, where it is 100, 100 is here. You are going to see the number here. What do you have in the 10th place? You have what? 1. 1 is what? Less than 5. Hence this number will be as it is. So 86200. The number will be what? As it is. Next you will be having like 8621 again 6. Next for 1000. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. Okay. So you are going to see the number here for this. Again you are having 2. 2 is less than 5. So the number again will be as it is. 86,000 this becomes. Next you are going to check it out for 10,000. 6 to 86,016. 10,000 place. You are going to see the number here. What do you have? Like 6. 6 is what? More than 5. If it is more than 5, the number in the 1000 place will be what? Increases to 1, and this becomes as what? 90,000. So these are the thing you are going to do. I have done it one from your notebook. Now it is your job or the duty. You are going to take one book and start working out by taking different problems. Okay? Yes. So students, till now we have done the normal problems with respect to the place value, that is 1s, 10s, 100,000, right? Yes. Now we are going to solve with respect to decimal numbers. Do you know the decimal? So you will be having the point that is called as decimal point. In order to make you easy, I have said you this, but the logical definition for the decimals are different. Okay, for example, I will take one of the example. See here, they have given it for 15.2342. okay, so this is the decimal point, right? So this is 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 4 decimal place. It goes on continuing. Done. So I have taken 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal places. First we shall solve it for 1 decimal place. Where is it? This 1 decimal place, in the sense this. You are going to check the number beside this 2. What do you have here? What do you have? You have 3. What is 3 exactly? 3 is less than 5. Hence this number will be what? As it is. See here student, this will be again as it is, like 15 will not even change anymore. Done. It will not even change. Only the numbers which are beside this decimal will get changed. Done. Yes. So here 1 decimal place you have, this becomes 3, this you have 3, it is less than 5, and these will be as it is, and these numbers will become 0. Done. This is for what? 1 decimal place. Check it out for 2 decimal place now. Where it is 2 now? 2 decimal place, 1, 2. You are going to check the number for the, like here, for the 3. You are going to check the number as what? 4. What is 4 now? 4 again it is less than 5. Hence this, the number in the second decimal place will be again as it is. So will be what? As it is. 15.2300 this becomes. Okay. Yes. Now the last thing, 3 decimal places. 3 decimal, where is it? 1, 2, 3. You are going to see the number beside this 4. What do you have? Here you have 2. What is that 2? 2 is less than 5. 2 is what? Less than 5. Hence this remaining number will be again as it is. Okay. So this becomes 15.2340. This is very simple students. The next thing, if you have number, you can take it out for 4 decimal places, 5 decimal places, 6 decimal places, like this. So this is about what? Decimal places. One more problem I am going to show you now. Please check. So 12.0652. Check out student. First heading was like what? 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place, which is the first decimal place, this 0. You are going to check the number beside 0. What do you have? You have what? 6. What is 6 now? If you get 6, it is more than 5. If it is more than 5, you are going to increase one number. Done. Yes. So here if you increase 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Yes. This becomes 12.1000. You have 4 zeros here, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. No. Yes. Now check it out for 2 decimal place. Again this 12 point will be as it is. Where is 2 decimal place now? 1, 2. You are going to check the number. What do you have? Again 5. 5 is what? Equal to 5. If it is equal to, the number in the second decimal place will be increases. And this becomes as what? 7. And this becomes as what? 7. 0, 7, 0, 0. Okay. Yes. Now 3 decimal place. Where is 3 decimal place? Which is the 3 now? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal. You have 5. You are going to check the number as what? 2. Again, if it is 2, what? It would be as it is. The number in the third decimal place will be what? As it is. So it is like 12.0650. This is the process students. You are going to do it for your decimal numbers. If it is for 1's place, 2 place, 3 place. I have solved 2 problems. You have so many problems again. Please take it in your notebook what we have provided you the material, and you start solving it. Now students, one more thing want to tell you. Prepare your notes so that You need to get interest to read. How you need to do? By some cutting out something? No, right? By writing with the beautiful handwriting. If someone comes and sees your notebook, you know, they should be like, wow, what a beautiful, what a pretty handwriting. It should not be like somebody and comes by looking at your handwriting, yuck, very bad handwriting. It should not be like that. It should be very pretty and very beautiful. Please prepare your notes like that, so that you will get your own interest to read. Okay, yes. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you have any problem with respect to my English, or if you are not able to understand English, as we are telling you since from the starting, it is English is a very important subject, and it is a very interesting subject and attractive, fascinating too. How will you again create your interest? You are going to watch the video at least for 2 to 3 times. No, like you need to be like again, like how I speaks in English, right? The same way you are going to be like that. You need to communicate. You need to speak with your mom and dad at your home, with your elder brother or sister. You need to create a love with that. Okay, then only you will understand. So some of the basic part we have discussed in this today's class. Students, please watch out the video at least for 2 to 3 times. Okay, if you like understood my channel, my class, please like my video and do subscribe our channel. We shall meet you in the next class with the next interesting concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.